So today's job is cleaning a driveway. I'm going to be using a mixture of a pressure washer and the old-fashioned way of on my hands and knees with a blade and a bucket, dustpan and brush, getting all the big chunky bits out, scraping those, pressure washing it to finish with. I'm also going to be removing all of the drain covers, the gully covers from down the length of the driveway. Most of these are rusted in, so I'm going to have to be cutting those with a hacksaw blade so I can then remove the covers because they've not been cleaned for years, give them a good troweling out and wash them down, and I will show you before and after. So I just made this little temporary mesh, put in this gully while I wash it out. The actual original isn't brilliant. The drainage, we've got the run from the end of the drive down to here, okay, but instead of running to here from the garage end and then here's the manhole here, it's actually all going to go back this way, so there's not enough full coming this way down to where that drain is, so really probably should put another drain in somewhere, but I'll give this another good clean. Well, I think you agree, this looks a hell of a lot better now. So all the block paving, all the gullies cleaned out. Say when the weather dries up a bit, get some sand again between these joints, brush it in with block paving, be good as new.